Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to send more than one photo in Instagram DM. So here I've already opened my Instagram and then I'm going to slide to my DM. So just click on the DM icon or the message icon at the bottom and choose the person that you want to start a conversation with or you want to send the photos. I'm going to just type in, so I'm going to message this, and then if you want to send a photo you can just directly click on the camera icon at the left button, or you can also choose the photo from your gallery, click on this and choose the photo. So for example, I'm going to add two photo, which is more than one, and then just click, you can just click on the circle right here and it will show you the number. And when you're done picking the photo, just click on send to. Why is there only one being sent? I'm going to just use, okay, so now there's three. Okay, so that's it. That is for me, that is how you can send more than one photo in Instagram DM. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.